guys, once again this is Wandering World, and today we are here at the state capital here in New Hampshire. See, we are here from our trip from Boston. So as you notice, we have the same clothes. So we are going to check this place today. So we hope that we can take a video inside the building of the capital. So Mr. Wandering World is busy checking his phone right now. So let's get in and explore. Let's go, guys. So this is the entrance.
Look at that flag.
Oh, this is the visitor center. Yeah, let's get in. So here.
That's good. That's good. Look at all the pins.
I know.
Some of them are old.
So right now, guys, we are going to the third floor because they told us go up first and then
Work our way down.
work our way down. So let's go up. We're inside the elevator now.
Boy, it closes quick too.
That's right. So let's turn around and tour around the state capital of New Hampshire.
In Concord.
In Concord. So this is the president of the Senate. I hear now the gallery, House of Representatives Gallery. Visitors Gallery. Welcome. Yep, so we can get in here. Look at this. Wow. So this is the third floor already, guys. So we will go to the Senate offices and the President's office, Senate President, and good thing they're allowing us to take video here. Oh, look at this area. No. Okay. So now we're heading to the second floor of the building. So these are the portrait here. And this is their elevator. We're going down. What's in there?
Not very well, but
Secretary of State, welcome. Welcome there. Yeah. Can we get in there?
yeah, but I don't know.
So let's continue and go around. Governor's room. So this is the governor's office.
Hi, how are you?
Good. This
Yes.
is the governor's office?
Yes.
Where's he sitting? Right there.
These are a couple offices over there, that way. That's our executive council chambers, and that is their offices way in the back there. Welcome to go in and check it out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Folks from
Texas.
That's a beautiful church across the way, isn't it?
That is our legislative office building.
Oh, it's not a church.
No, it used to be a post office, it used to be a courthouse,
Yeah.
way back in the day.
We have a public.
Well,
So this is their
Look
office.
at all the teacups that have there. Teacup collection.
Yeah. This collection of china, teacups, and saucers was made possible through the effort of the Dorothy Peterson, wife of former Governor Walter Peterson, 1969 to 73, and the New Hampshire Republican Women's Club. Oh, this is her collection, love.
Yeah.
Really nice.
That was so long.
1809. That one's 1790.
That's the oldest one. 16.
This one is 1720. You're not going to the secretary though? You're not going to get into that secretary. House of the Chamber, see? I stopped all day.
Visitors upstairs, galleries upstairs.
We went there. Oh.
Those pictures on the wall.
Oh my god, this is really scary.
That railway somewhere.
Yeah. I know. It's scary.
These are chairs. Senate, it's the Senate gallery.
Yeah. This one is really scary. Can you stand up there? See that, guys? See that? Ooh. It's scary. And now where are we heading at?
To B.
To number 1?
B.
B.
This is one here, it says.
Oh. And now we're heading to 1. Ta-da-da! Spanish American one. So this is the first floor of the building and the entrance. So that's the entrance of the building.
Korean and Vietnam War.
There's a bell. Look at the bell. Look. Oh, that's nice here. See?
Yeah, right. You really see it.
Yeah. Baby, what kind of flower is that? So now we are done with our state capital visit here in New Hampshire, guys.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching our video. This is Wandering World once again.
And don't forget to like, share, comment down below, ring notification bell.
For our next adventure. Bye, guys. Baby.
Come on.